Want to know what one of the best things in Teamwork.com is? It's that you've got options when it comes to budgets. Let's dive in. You've got fixed fee budgets. If you've got a project with a locked in price, a fixed fee budget is your best friend. It helps you track your spend, monitor hours, and tweak accordingly to end your project on budget. Then we've got retainer budgets. Think of this like your budget on autopilot. Set it up hourly or as a flat fee and roll over any leftover hours or extra work to the next period. And then we've got time and expenses. This one's for the day-to-day grind. Set a budget based on hours or a set fee and track it as the work gets done. No guessing games, just real-time budget updates as you go. Pick which one suits you and your project so you can always see the numbers the way it works best for you.